battle with a dangerous duo.
So this is Earth. Not a bad-looking planet.
Guess we should go pay our respects to the little twerps, huh?
First things first, we'll seek out the highest power level. When we do, we'll likely find Radit's killer, or perhaps Kakarot's son. Found you. All right, Nappa. Time to have some fun.
What? A huge power is heading this way. I have to tell Mr. Piccolo.
They're here, which means they'll be heading straight for us.
Hey, Piccolo, it's been a while.
You're one of the people I saw at Master Roshi's.
Yeah, I'm Krillin. Man, you really have grown up, haven't you? You look just like Goku when he was a kid.
That's enough chit-chat. They're here.
Well, well. Looks like you've been expecting us.
You got that right.
Huh? What's a Namekian doing here?
Namekian?
Oh, I get it. It's been said that Namekians possess extraordinary fighting skills, as well as magical abilities. You must be the one who created those Dragon Balls we've heard about.
They know about the Dragon Balls?
That's the whole reason we came to this puny planet. Now hand them over! You may be a Namekian, but there's still only one of you. This is gonna be like swatting away flies!
Sorry to burst your bubble, but I didn't create the Dragon Balls or anything else. My specialty is destruction. And if I'm a fly, then just try and swat me.
Very well. Let's see what the Namekian and his little friends are capable of.
Looks like you and me are thinking the same thing, Vegeta.
These guys look pretty tough. Huh? It's Tien, and Chaozu's with him.
Hey guys, sorry we're late.
Yamcha!
Yamcha? You mean the person Poir was talking about?
Yep, the one and only. You must be Goku's kid.
Well, he definitely looks the part.
Yeah, he's like a mini Goku!
Nice to meet you. My name's Gohan.
Look at that. A few more pipsqueaks have come to play.
Relax, we'll make this quick. Gohan, this is it. Show them what you can do.
Right.
Count me in too. I've done my fair share of training.
Make them suffer, Saibamen.
Go on, let me have it.
This might prove to be something entertaining after all. Well then, who's next?
Let me at him. I'll show him that I'm not messing around. Come on, let's do this.
You green goons better give him hell!
Well, I guess those little monsters weren't as tough as you thought they were. I'll finish the rest of them off by myself. What?
Yamcha!
What the? He blew himself up. I believe it's time we end this little game.
Finally! I was getting tired of waiting. Which one wants to die next? So, who wants to die next?
Strong! Yamcha!
Solar flare! How are we supposed to explain this with water and Bulma?
That all you guys got?
How is nothing working on me? Oh no! Are you serious?
Time to cause some real damage. You all better kiss your butts goodbye.
What?
Say your prayer!
Chaozu!
Chaozu, what are you doing?
Farewell, Tien! Please don't die!
No, don't do it! Chaozu! Chaozu!
That kinda tickled.
Chaozu, I will avenge you. I swear. I'm not going to let your death be in vain. Try beam!
You think you're pretty tough, don't you? This can't be.
This has gotta be some kind of nightmare! Where are you, Goku? We need your help!
Goku? Humor me. You wouldn't happen to be talking about Kakarot, would you?
Yeah? So what's it to you?
Ah, just as I thought. I guess the Dragon Balls revived him after all. Do you truly believe that he can save you? After all, he can barely handle a weakling like Raditz.
He's gotten stronger since then. I'm sure of it. He's gonna make you beg for mercy. Do you hear me? He's gonna make you beg!
Oh, I wouldn't underestimate Goku if I were you.
Oh yeah? If he's so tough, then where the hell is he, huh?
He'll be here. My dad's definitely gonna come.
Then I guess we'll just have to wait for him, won't we? 3 hours is all he gets, and not a second longer.
3 hours? Ah, there ain't no point in waiting around. Screw it. I'm gonna have some fun.
Nappa! Didn't you just hear me?
Sorry, Vegeta. Guess I got a little carried away.
The big oaf is shaking in his boots. The smaller guy's the one we need to keep an eye on. I'm sure of it.
Come on, Goku! Quit making us wait and get over here already! Come on, show us just how much stronger you've become!
Dad?
Goku, where are you? All the times for him not to show up. Hey, you think we can make a break for it?
These guys mean business. They plan on wiping out the entire planet.
Dad?
Piccolo, you should get out of here if things start to get hairy.
What do you mean?
You die, Kami dies too, right? If that happens, then we can kiss the Dragon Balls goodbye!
No.
I don't need your sympathy. Just focus on winning.
Right, yeah.
Mr. Piccolo?
Time's up. Too bad. I guess Kakarot was too scared to show his face.
Finally. You twerps are in for a world of pain.
What's with this energy? It's incredible. And it's heading this way.
Wow. You're right, it's huge. And it feels kind of familiar.
Only Goku could have this much energy.
Kakarot. Where?
Vegeta! Are these punks telling the truth?
We'll find out soon enough whether this is actually Kakarot or not. Power level 5,000.
No way! Your scouter must be busted or something!
Nappa, hurry up and kill the riffraff. They could be a real pain if they team up with Kakarot.
But what about the Dragon Balls?
Forget about them. I've got a better idea. That Namekian's home planet should have Dragon Balls even more powerful. We'll do far better heading there instead. Don't you understand? If Kakarot actually lives, then that legend has to be true.
Huh?
Get out of here, Mr. Piccolo! I'll handle them until my dad gets here. If you die, we'll definitely lose Kami and the Dragon Balls.
A runt like you can't handle them all alone.
Handle me, huh? This kid over here is a real riot!
Do what I can. Buy my dad some time.
Gohan.
Now, who wants to be brave than I want to? Either way, you're all dead!
Let this happen!
Now die! Saiyan blood in you, right? Well, let's see if you can make this fun for me. Now, look at that, the little pipsqueak's got some power. My arms What? That all you guys? What? That all you guys? Hey, don't go dying on me yet. I ain't done having fun. What? That all you guys? All right. Playtime's over, Pipsqueak! You're dead!
Mr. Piccolo!
Get out of here, Gohan!
Mr. Piccolo! Why did you...
Just shut up and run.
No! Mr. Piccolo! Please don't die!
All right, I made it!
Goku!
Kami!
Quickly, grab hold of me!
Thanks!
Well, that young man, he actually made his way back from King Kai's planet.
Well, I'm off! I'm fully trained and ready to go!
We're counting on you.
Flying Nimbus! Man, talk about a sight for sore eyes! Let's go!
Goku versus Vegeta.
How pathetic to think the great
Demon King Piccolo would go down like this. Protecting a little brat like you. It's laughable. I blame you and your dad. Your stupid softness rubbed off on me. But go on. I want you to know you're the only real friend. The only real friend I ever had. These past few months, they really weren't half bad. You'd better not die, Gohan.
It appears I'm not long for this world. But at least it seems Piccolo has finally surpassed me. I can die happy knowing that.
Kami!
Wasn't planning on killing him just yet, but whatever. I can't wait to see the look on Kakarot's face when he sees his little twerp squashed like a bug. Huh?
Nimbus? Dad!
Piccolo! Tianjinhan! Yamcha! Chiaotzu! Kami! They're all gone!
I'm not gonna let you get away with this! What are you looking at, punk? You got something to say? I'm gonna pound you into a pulp! There's no way a small fry like you stands a chance against the mighty Nappa! You talk tough, but you're not special. The hell you just say? A elite warrior like me is gonna let low-class scum like you treat me like this? Yeah, but this! Looks like you're finally getting better. You better shut that mouth of yours before I do! That's more like it. I'm expecting a good fight from you! That one was for Chiaotzu! This one's for Yamcha! This one's for Tianjinhan! This is for Piccolo! For this! Take this! Here goes! Why you? Don't you dare mock me! Damn it! I ain't going down to a nobody like you!
Nappa! That's more than enough! I'll take care of him!
Since it's a direct order, I'll let Vegeta handle you. But I'm not done playing just yet! Oh no you don't, Kaioken! I don't think he can fight anymore. Now take him with you and leave Earth this instant! Vegeta! Help me! Vegeta!
I've got no use for a Saiyan that can't move!
Who is this guy? He just killed his own partner!
You two, go! Get back to Kame House, now!
What?
Look, this guy seems a lot tougher than I thought he'd be.
Oh, okay, Dad. We'll go.
Goku, wait. Couldn't you just fight this guy somewhere else?
Why?
Look, I don't want anything to happen to these guys before we can bring them back.
Bring them back, but... Piccolo and Kami, the both of them are dead! Which means that the Dragon Balls are gone too. I hate to say it, but we can't bring them back now.
Wait, Krillin? Are you...
Huh? What is it?
I'll explain later. Just you make sure that you send this guy packing, all right?
Send him packing? Huh. Yeah, that's the plan. Okay. I'll do what I can.
Sorry to do this again, Goku, but we're all counting on you. Don't you dare go dying on us, buddy!
You got it. Go on. If I make it back, what do you say we go fishing again? Just you and me.
Okay?
Change of plans. We're moving.
Fine. Makes no difference to me.